Having decreased egg count, it is a nightmare for both patients suffering from infertility and also for the doctors treating such cases. The decreased egg count is something which is not reversible. To increase the egg count of a lady would be like to give them a fertility potential till they survive, which is against nature. So whenever you hear that you are having decreased egg count, definitely there is a sense of urgency that we should try to achieve a pregnancy at the earliest. But this decreased count, is it really serious, or how much time do we have in hand? Now it depends on a reserve testing or ovarian reserve testing, which can be done by two ways. Either you go for an ultrasound where we can count the number of eggs per cycle, or we can do a blood test where you test a hormone called AMH. These two tests are a guide as to how much time can we have. Do we need to panic, or can be comfortably try for a pregnancy, be it natural or assisted? Very often nowadays in our daily regular OBD clinics, we see such reports where females carrying ovarian reserve testing of no counts and no values in a panic situation. But IVF is a boon in such cases. Many a times it is seen that there has been no prior testing or treatment in such cases. Then also there is no need to panic. There is always a time interval provided. You can try for a natural pregnancy for few months, and if that is completed, then certain medications might be given to improve your egg quality, sperm quality, and improve the fertility potential. But the most advanced treatment available, which can help you achieve a pregnancy at the earliest, is IVF. But why does this decreased egg count occur? The most common causes are genetic, that if there is familial reduced count, or a disease which is quite common nowadays, that is endometriosis, where the ovaries are being replaced by huge chocolate cysts, which again after surgery might reduce the egg count. Then there are surgeries on the ovaries for cysts, be it tumors, be it cancers, be it any kind of surgery. Chemotherapy, they are causes of reduced egg count. Many a times, there are certain procedures done on the ovaries, like ovarian drilling in PCOS, where again after a few years, the count might reduce as per the age. Now, no matter what be the cause, we know that once there is decreased reserve, we have a time interval where we should plan for a pregnancy at the earliest. And IVF there comes as a boon. So if such reports are with you, and if you're concerned about pregnancy, do visit your gynecologist and have further details and achieve your pregnancy potential to the fullest. Thank you.